this works, sign me up for the Olympics. Okay, so today I'm gonna be making a giant chocolate Easter egg, one of my favorite things to eat on Easter morning. First, I'm just gonna melt down the chocolate. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate. I'll use 2 bags for now, and we'll see. Maybe we need more. When you're melting chocolate, it burns super quickly, so I'm just gonna do 1-minute intervals and stir it, and keep doing that until it's melted down. The coconut oil will also help with setting the chocolate into the egg shape too, so I think it's just like a win-win situation to use the coconut oil. The chocolate seems like a nice consistency though to spread around the balloon, so I'm hopeful about that. Now we have our bottle filled with chocolate. I'm gonna overcompensate a little because I know I'm gonna lose, so I'm a little lightheaded. Woo! I'm gonna twist it to create kind of a seal before I try to snap this around this squeeze bottle. Oh! Dang it. I have like a phobia of balloons popping. So, just so you know that. This is the perfect thing for me to be doing. I'm a little nervous because this is like do or die. Let's flip this. Oh! Okay. Something's happening. Definitely I'm gonna need more chocolate. Oh. So there is a chance I can't do this, by the way. So I'm gonna maybe tilt it this way. So hard to tell where it needs to go. I'm just gonna roll it around a lot. I feel like this is like Tetris or something. Oh my God, I think I did it. If this works, sign me up for the Olympics. This should work as like a little nest. The inside is chocolate. I'm gonna freeze it. This is a better freezer. 30 minutes, then I'll check on it, see if it's like solid because coconut oil helps chocolate set super quickly, so it shouldn't take too long. We'll see, stay tuned. It's pretty hard, so I'm happy with that. So I'm just gonna cut the balloon now and hopefully peel it off. Okay, here. Woo, whoa, that was so satisfying. Yeah, it's definitely more of a round egg. I'm not a great decorator. Let's get that out there first. This is pretty fun though, I have to say. Oh, a little messy. I feel like I'm just trolling this egg. Should we do some sprinkles? All right, I think that concludes the decorating portion. Do you like it? Happy Easter. Well, looks like Easter just threw up all over this chocolate egg. Tune in next time for another super mega challenge.
Oh, yes.